This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. This is message from Silvermount. Amelia Anderson is now on the evil mode, and she is about to using some bunch of dead threats and interrupting commentaries to any users and made the bulldog into a diary mode sad. So you have the chances to take her down. If you take Amelia Anderson down, you will receive a 1 million Sonneville dollars. But be careful if she is using a dead threats to you and any users you are getting in injuries. That's conclude the emergency alert system of the day. Stay safe.